If you have a goal to get your tech and your systems in alignment with your business goals in 2025, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Karanda Adair. I'm a tech strategist and automation service provider, and I want to tell you the ways that you can work with us in 2025. Before I dive into specifics, there are two themes that I want to share with you. One is our general approach to technology, which is we want you to stop buying technology and start hiring technology. We look at technology as just a part of your team that is there to execute your processes that are already working, but do it more efficiently. And so that's the approach we take to looking at your software tech stack and analyzing, is this the right tech stack for you? Are there things that need to be changed or upgraded? And I have specific whole videos on that on my YouTube channel, so you can definitely go check those out. The second thing is really my emotional approach to marketing in 2025, which can be summed up with the phrase, if you wanted to, you would. Everybody does exactly what they want to do. Even the things we do because we have to do them, like you have to go to work because you want to pay your bills because you don't want to be homeless. But they're all wants at the end of the day, and I don't really pay attention to what people say because people say lots of things. They say, oh yeah, I want to work with you. I want to start next month. And then I don't hear from them ever again. So I'm really operating off of coming towards the folks who want to work with us and share that by actually taking the steps to work with us. Okay, so I'm taking a show and tell approach. I am sharing as freely as possible about the kinds of client projects that we worked on so that if you see something like, ooh, I want that, I could really use that in my business, because I know it's hard for a lot of people to imagine what technology can do for them and what kind of systems improvements are even possible. So check out the other videos on my YouTube channel to get inspired, right? So with that said, here are the major ways to work with us. Our flagship offer is called $1 Million Systems, and it is a 6-month retainer that really gives us the space to dive into your systems, to map out what your systems are currently doing and what the tech is that's involved with that, and then figure out how to upgrade those systems for more peace and more profit in your business. And that's $1,500 a month for 6 months, so $9,000 in total. You can pay in full or you can pay monthly, and that's really our flagship retainer. So again, if you're wondering like, ooh, do I have enough projects to warrant a 6-month retainer? Come have a conversation, right? I'm gonna tell you straight up if I think this is the best way for you to go, or if I think, oh, you're not ready for this, or if I think one of our other offers would be a better fit for you. But you can go and you can check out the sales page to learn more about $1 Million Systems and really get an idea of what's involved with that. But we do a lot behind the scenes to support our clients as they're going through this, including a whole resource area that is just for $1 Million Systems clients with a lot of answers to commonly asked questions as people are working with us. So would love to work with you inside that container. There's also the option, if you think 6 months is really too long and you really just have a short-term project, you can do $1 Million Systems on a month-to-month basis for $2,000 a month. So if you have a project and you think, oh, this isn't quite a 6-month project, but it's something that will make a big impact on our business and I really want to work with you, then again, come have a conversation and let's talk about it and we'll figure out the best way to structure that. The next way to work with us, if you're not quite ready for done for you, or if 6 months seems like a long time, is my membership. And the membership is Automation Club. And Automation Club is really there for anyone who wants to get professional help and advice as you work on your own systems. I really want to see less of people crowdsourcing their technology advice in the comment section on Threads or Facebook or whatever. I really want to move as a business culture. I would like to see people move towards not asking what they should do and getting random advice, but asking what professional should I talk to about this particular issue in my business, right? Who should I follow? Who should I look to for advice? Who's actually a professional and can give professional advice? So Automation Club is the space where I give my professional advice to folks who are working on their systems on their own. And there's a supportive community that's hosted on Circle, And there's also co-working sessions, which is the backbone of Automation Club, because I want to help you get things done. So we have 2-hour co-working sessions each month. That means I'm there in Zoom and we're all working together in 25-minute sprints, and then we check in. And if at any point you're stuck or you have questions or you want strategy advice, then we hop into a breakout room and I help you one-on-one to get you unstuck and keep you moving. We've been doing that for almost 6 months. It's been working amazing. People are getting so many things done. And in addition to those co-working sessions, I also host monthly workshops, and those workshop topics are based on members and what they ask for. So Automation Club is free to try for 30 days. You can go to the sales page and you can click through and you can sign up for 30 days, which that's enough time for you to come to 2 different co-working sessions. So there's literally no risk to you to come and try that out. And if you want to continue, it's $111 per month. And at the time of recording this, I also have lifetime membership for $1,500. That means you can pay once and then you're not adding another subscription to your expenses. That option is a really great one, really for anybody who wants to either come get help because you're DIYing some things in your business, or you're thinking about getting our help on a done-for-you basis, but you really want to see what we're all about and you want to see what kind of tech I use, what kind of things I recommend. That is a great venue to lower the risk if you're thinking of hiring us on a done-for-you basis. So Automation Club is where it's at. It's where I love to hang out. I love our co-working sessions. I love seeing people get things done, and I would love to see you in that space. And then the next thing is we have a number of digital products or small projects that you can hire us for. You can go to members.carveldigital.com and you can check out our available products, including I love taking Google spreadsheets and really elevating them by porting them over to Airtable, which is a true database and allows you to do so much more with your data, including automate the moving of data, automate notifying people around things. We have automated complete onboarding systems for clients that has saved them hours and hours per week using Airtable as the basis for that. And again, you can go hear more about and see more about those projects on my YouTube channel. But yeah, that's one. So when I do projects, sometimes I will throw those projects up as individual offers. Again, just to give you a sense of what's possible and what kinds of things we can do on a project basis. For 2025, I'm bringing back VIP days on a limited basis. I've already had one VIP day, and that's 5 hours of us working specifically on a project to solve a particular problem in your business or elevate one of your processes. And we got so much done. We got an entire process, sales and onboarding and offboarding process built for a strategic mapping offer for one of my clients. And she was someone who was in Automation Club, realized, hey, I have this template, but I'm really never going to do this on my own. So let me just knock this out. And we were able to knock it out in a day. I did a couple of hours of additional work just to make sure she was in a good place. Cannot wait to see how this process works for her. VIP days, if you're interested and you have a specific problem that you think we can solve in a very concentrated amount of time, talk to me about that. VIP days start at $3,000 and come with 30 days of support inside of Automation Club. So those are the major ways to work with us. And I am particularly focused on helping Black women and Black women business owners. So if that's you, definitely I want to talk to you. Ask about the Black Woman Calendar, because I'm having 100 conversations in the first quarter of 2025 with Black women business owners. And these are not sales calls. These are just, I want to grow my network of Black women business owners. So if that's you and you want that link, just message me, email me, DM me on any channel and ask for that link. And I would love to chat with you. All right, that's pretty much it. That's how you can work with us in 2025. If you have any questions, reach out. I'd love to chat with you, and I'll see you on the flip side.